Okay, today I'm gonna make the soup. This root, Lotus. You know this root is very good. It's so delicious. This root right here, it might don't look beautiful. This is root grow from the pond. This is the name of the there's a Lotus root, Lotus root. So this name. So I'm gonna cook this. Get all my herbs: celantro, lemongrass, tomato, ginger, and spring onion. This is all going to be my herb. And of course, this is going to be water soup, let them boiling, so I will show you later on, okay? This is my seasoning: white pepper, chicken broth, sauce, and 3 crab fish sauce. So I'm going to seasoning. This is a white pepper. This chicken broth. This is sauce. 3 crab fish sauce, and I'm gonna go ahead and mix the chicken. Okay, this is chopped chicken, so I'm gonna go ahead seasoning. And I'm gonna put chopped cilantro in there. Let's mix together. So that is done. First, I'm gonna put ginger in the soup. I'm gonna get lemongrass. Drop to the hot. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put chicken in here, just bit by bit. Again. Last bun right here, chicken. Let it cook for half hour. Okay, let it cook for half hour. Stir. This is gonna be yummy. This is very healthy soup, delicious. And I'm gonna give you this my recipe. This is my very own cooking. Second time I cook this one. I love it, so I keep cooking. That's why I wanna share with you. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, now it's time to put the lotus loose. Lotus loose. Okay, here drop all of them in. Let them cook. This is cook a little longer because the root is so tough. I will say half hour. Okay, let them boil. Half hour. Let them cook. Look at that. It smells so good already. I cannot wait to eat this. Okay, this 10 minutes later, my Lotus root cooking, boiling right now. Oh, look delicious, you guys. Looks so good. Let them boil another 10 minutes. I come back to you. And I gotta put 1 big spoon, 3 crab fish sauce in here. And I'm gonna put some more chicken broth powder to make it more tasty. Go ahead, just put a little bit brown sugar, a little bit for taste. Just to make the balance, just a little bit only. For the secret of my cooking, I have to put just tiny bit brown sugar. So just let them balance the taste. This tomato, I'm gonna go ahead and put tomato in here. Put tomato. This is the last tomato I'm gonna drop. You guys, I cannot wait to eat this food. Look at this. Oh, healthy, yummy. You eat this food, you don't need no rice, anything. You just eat this soup and it make you full and feel good in your stomach. So much fiber. Why don't we just go ahead and put the good stuff in our body and good in and good out? How about that? So that's what I'm doing right now. Okay, some more white pepper. I love cut the spice a little bit. Let them be bomb. Be the bomb. This is the bomb, you guys. This soup is the bomb. Look at this. I just cannot wait to eat. When I taste this, so delicious. I want you to taste. Let me know, hon. Let me know.
It's too good.
Can't wait to eat, right?
It's too good.
Okay, guys, this is about to finish. I have 1 more minute. If it cook down for like 30 minutes to 45 minutes, can be better because the root is very tough and you want to eat it nice and soft and moist. So that's why I take a little time to cook. And whatever you want, the taste, I put 3 fish sauce and 1 spoon of salt and 1 spoon of chicken broth and then white pepper. That's it. And a little bit sugar. Just it's my secret. Sugar it just make the food balance out. So that's what I'm doing. If you really want tasty, up to you. You want light taste, up to you. You're the one to cook, so you know what you like. I'm gonna go ahead turn off right now. Turn it off. Done. And I'm gonna go ahead drop cilantro. Drop the spring onion. This is the bomb, you guys. If you eat this fruit right here, man, I'm telling you, you're gonna lose weight. I don't know. I gotta say that because this is a lot of fiber and a lot of healthy. You're not gonna get fat. You're gonna losing weight. You eat this soup. You don't want to eat another like rice, anything like that. But I love rice. I have to have a little bit in there. If you don't want to eat any rice at all, that's all the food for you. You can cook this big pot like me. You can eat whole week. Look at this.
And the lotus root, for you all that don't know about the lotus root, it tastes like milk with a little bit of sugar. But in this dish here, the lotus root soak up all the other flavors combined with its original taste, and it tastes like something you never ever tasted before. It's just so good. You're gonna love it.
You know, Sisou kitchen, anything happen. I cook every day. I come up with different food. How I feel it to eat today, I feel it to eat this. I'm cook this. This is good. You know, if you cook, you don't have to worry how much you eat. Just eat it because you cook your own food and you know what you put in there. So you know, just cook and eat it. Especially the way I cook. I'm gonna give you recipes in my YouTube, and if you really like to cook, go ahead try it. And it's very easy. So I'm gonna get ready to sit down and eat now. Okay, this is gonna be my bowl. Oh my God, you guys, look at this. Look at this. Oh yes. Yep, you can cook good food with no time. If you follow me, I show you how to cook good food. And you don't have to feel guilty.
Guilt-free food.
Yep.
You can eat as much as you want.
You can eat as much as you want. Yes, right here. It's good. Okay, now the food in the table. I have to have a little bit rice because I love rice. Look at his bowl. My goodness, look at that.
I am not playing.
Ooh, he's not playing. Look at that.
I'm hungry.
Oh my God, you can eat all you want because this is healthy. Eat all you can. And you know what, guys? Don't forget about wine.
Look at the frost on that bottle.
Oh my God, Kendall Jackson, that's my favorite wine.
You already know.
That's pop. That's pop. Look at that sound. Oh no.
Frosty.
Oh, Frosty, even better. Yeah.
Whoa.
Oh yes. Ooh, this is crazy. Healthy food and good wine. My night. Here you go, hon. Cheers.
Cheers.
To the good food. When we come to Sisou kitchen, anything happen. So keep watching me, please, guys. Keep watching, okay? I'm gonna eat. I'm hungry now. And like I say, you want to cook, go for it. And this is the best food ever. All right, cheer one more time.
You don't know what you're
Yep.
missing?
There you go. Thank you for watching. Bye, guys.